Hi, Shan.
Yeah. So, hi everybody. How are you all doing?
Good, thank you. How are you?
All good, all good.
Hi,
Awesome.
Shan.
Hello, hi. So, today we have a very, very special guest, Mr. Amit Modi. He is the founder of Witblox. Okay. And if today's session is on product development, and this is a person who you all are going to meet who has actually sat down and invented something from scratch and is regularly innovating and inventing. Okay, so he's going to talk about product development, his journey of how he started developing. Okay, then we'll move on to more of a little bit of technicals, and then we'll go on to your product showcase. So each of you all will introduce your products and get feedback for each other. Okay, so let's start. Amit sir, over to you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
Thank
so
you.
much for coming. Yeah.
Thank you for calling me. So, hello, everyone. Uh, so, as introduced, I have worked quite for some time in education sector, and especially I have designed with blocks. So, I hope many of you might have used it.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
So, I'll just share my screen and I'll show you some of the points which I think is important. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you might have seen this bit blocks. Uh, so the idea behind this was that uh, means I love to build things right from the start. And when I was in college, I used to work with lots of children like you. Now also I do that. And we all used to meet every Sunday and we used to build something. So there I realized that children, they have lots of ideas, they want to do lots of things, but they used to come to me all the time for making circuits. कि okay, ये circuit solder करके दे दो, yeah, this circuit is not working. And I realized that many a times they faced a difficulty. They would not understand that it was too complex. And many children, they lost interest in electronics and robotics because they felt that it is not for me, or it is too complex. Maybe later on I'll do it, or nobody is there to help me out. So this idea stuck to me. Ki I am a biomedical engineer by profession. Means I have studied all the subjects, like I have studied electronics, mechanics, biology, chemistry, everything. So an idea came to me, like human body means we eat food so we get power to do anything. Then we have got our eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. With this, we are collecting information. So these are our sensors. And then we have our brain, which decides what to do, what not to do. So that is like a control unit. And then we have got our output, like we have our bones and muscles. So using that, we can talk, we can run, we can jump, we can do anything. So these are our outputs. So if you look at any system, that is made up of all these things: power, input, control, and output. So this idea stuck to me that maybe I can use this logic and I can simplify electronics by making modular power blocks, modular input blocks, like different kinds of sensor blocks, then different kinds of control blocks like AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, then different kinds of output blocks like sound output, uh, light output lamp, then motors for this. So uh, every time means when we want to build anything, there is always a requirement for a spark. So my spark was uh, the comparison which I did with biology, that means what our human body, how it functions. So that gave me that with maybe we can simplify electronics also like this. And that is how this idea came, and this we made it modular, plug and play electronics. And then the journey started. So since we are discussing about product development, so I'll means the most important character, I think, for me, when means if I when I realize myself, one is that there will always be a mission. Means uh, why do you want to do something? Suppose many a times uh, there are product developers who are a bit like they are crazy, crazy in the sense, not in negative sense, in positive sense, in the sense that they are worried about something. Like I was worried about that children are losing interest in electronics and they are not able to make projects. So I should do something about this. And I loved to work with them. I loved to help them. So I that was my driving force, that I should do something about it, that to solve this problem. Similarly, means whenever I think of hiring a product developer also in my team, I look for the same quality. So means I, with my experience, I have realized that uh, someone who is worried about something, so that worry will not let him sleep, will keep him troubled all the time, and then he will think of something unique. So that is one important thing. I think that is the first starting point. Means how do you get that spark? Many a times people get troubled with lots of things. Like if there is lots of noise coming, you get troubled कि अरे यार बहुत आवाज आ रही है. So you think कि कुछ तो होना चाहिए नॉइज कैंसिलेशन के लिए, ईयरफोन कुछ होना चाहिए, या विंडो में ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. तो वो जो वरिंग नेचर है, जो है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अबाउट एनीथिंग. मतलब इफ यू लुक एट means your mom is washing vegetables, and then you think that she is chopping vegetables, then you think that it takes a lot of time. There should be something. So that driving force is important. Okay. And that driving force comes with mostly emotion. Means if you are attached to something, if you are passionate about something, then that driving force will automatically come. Many a times we do trade-offs also. Like matlab, I see a problem, but I feel that I am doing something else. So I should not focus on that problem, because if I start focusing on that problem, then I will not be able to do my other things. So uh, so that means I am not passionate about that problem. Because if you start thinking of solving all the problems, then you will not be able to go ahead. Means nothing you will be able to do. So जो एक चीज जो बहुत परेशान कर रही है, मे बी आई वांटेड टू बी अ टीचर. मीन्स आई वाज ऑलवेज taking Sunday class with children, and I loved to teach, and that is why that driving force was there, that I should simplify this subject, and that drove me towards building this product. So and I was that time I was thinking that after my studies at IIT Bombay, what will I do? So that driving force always pushes us, and there are lots of things that we get worried about, but we cannot do everything. So we focus on one thing which is very dear to us. Right. So as product developers, you also need to find that driving force, that passion. One worry that is not letting you sleep. Okay. So that is the origin of product development. So once you do that, then there are other steps that you need to follow for product development. So once you get that drive कि अरे इसको तो solve करना है, ये कुछ तो बनाना है, उसके बाद what you do is not that you start researching. Means you answer कि क्यों बनाना है, मतलब वो passion आ गया कि नहीं, ये problem है, this problem is troubling me, I want to solve this problem. Not for yourself, but for everyone. मतलब you are personally experiencing that problem, and then you think कि I should solve this problem. So the next thing is that you start researching on it कि बाकी लोगों ने क्या किया है इसके लिए. जैसे मान लीजिए मीन्स यू have your you bought something, say you bought a game or you bought something, and then you encountered a problem in that, and then you always find na ki, okay, if I have faced this problem, others might have also faced this problem, so what have they done about? So that is called research. So once we are passionate about doing something, means we identify a problem कि ये तो solve करना है, then we start our research. और research में generally what we do is we see कि what others have done. या एक अभी जो बहुत अच्छा tool आ गया है वो है like you can also use AI tools like ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT and it will suggest. So one is research, and based on research ना, जैसे जैसे आप research करते जाते, you will get one picture. मतलब आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है ना, उसका एक पिक्चर आपके दिमाग में बनता जाएगा कि आपको क्या बनाना है. ठीक है. तो वो जो पिक्चर है वो एक मेंटल पिक्चर बनता है, विच वो एक विजुअल पिक्चर होगा. वो पिक्चर बहुत अलग तरीके का होता है. मतलब जैसे मैं जब सोचा था तो मैं सोचा था कि ब्लॉक्स जो है वो हम लोग ऐसा ब्लॉक्स बनाएंगे, तो उसमें कि जैसे अभी पावर अलग है, इनपुट अलग है, कंट्रोल अलग है. पहले मैं कंफ्यूज था कि मैं मतलब ये सेंसर में जनरली कि सेंसर में हम लोग कंट्रोल डालेंगे या कंट्रोल अलग से रहेगा, या जो हमारे आई होप यू हैव सीन विद ब्लॉक्स, सो इट विल बी इजी फॉर मी टू टेल यू. जैसे आप देखो, डार्क सेंसर में एलडीआर उसके अंदर ही है, पर डिस्टेंस सेंसर में उसका आईआर बाहर की तरफ है. तो पहले जो बनता है ना, मतलब एक पिक्चर बन जाता है कि कैसा बनाना है, वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कैसे करना, मतलब मेरा प्रोडक्ट कैसा होगा. वो कई बार पिक्चर बनता है, या कई बार वो एक्सपीरियंस का पिक्चर बनता है कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट कोई बच्चा यूज कर रहा होगा या कोई यूजर यूज कर रहा होगा, तो वो कैसे कर रहा होगा, वो क्या फील कर रहा होगा. मतलब हम कई बार प्रोडक्ट का एक मेंटल पिक्चर बनाते हैं, या फिर हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस का एक वो बनाते हैं कि जो भी हमारा मैं जो बनाऊंगा वो कोई यूज करके कैसा फील कर रहा होगा. तो वो चीज को ना डॉक्यूमेंट करना आई थिंक अच्छा बहुत जरूरी होता है कि अगर आप एक वो पिक्चर बना रहे हो, फिर उसको आप स्केच करो और उसके बारे में लिखो, या फीचर उसका उसका एक मतलब लाइन वाइज ही लिखो कि वो ये करेगा, वो ये करेगा, वो ऐसा करेगा. जब आप ये करते हो तो वो आप ना फिर रीजन आउट करना शुरू करते हो कि अगर ये हो गया तब क्या करेंगे, तो फिर ऐसा कर देंगे, ये फीचर डाल देंगे. आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ओके. तो तो ये जब होता है तो एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट हो जाता है कि मैं क्या बनाने वाला हूँ, वो कैसा दिखेगा और यूजर कैसा एक्सपीरियंस करेगा उसको. और जब ये हो जाता है, फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप है कि हम लोग उसको बनाते हैं. और जब बनाते हैं तब हमें समझ में आता है कि हमने जो सोचा था और एक्चुअल में जो बन रहा है उसमें जमीन आसमान का अंतर हो जाता है। मतलब डिजिटल वर्ल्ड एंड फिजिकल वर्ल्ड बोथ आर डिफरेंट। इफ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ मेकिंग अ फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट, तो बहुत सारे मतलब व्हाट यू हैव इमेजिन्ड एंड व्हाट कम्स आउट, देयर विल बी अ गैप। ओके, एंड उस समय देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डिसीजंस विच हैज टू बी मेड। डिसीजंस उस पे आता है कि कॉस्ट वाइज क्या होगा, कैसा होगा। मतलब शुड वी गो बाय दिस और शुड वी ट्राई टू डू दिस। जैसे मैं एग्जांपल बताता हूँ, जब मैं विटब्लॉक्स बना रहा था, आपने देखा होगा ना, हर विटब्लॉक्स में ना एक ऐसा करके ऐसा कर्व है नीचे में। अगर आपने विटब्लॉक्स देखा होगा, यहाँ दिखा देता हूँ, नीचे एक कर्व दिख रहा है ऐसा करके।
या
हाँ, तो जब मैं ये बना रहा था, तो जो मेरा मेंटल पिक्चर था कि बच्चा ऐसे पकड़ेगा, ऐसे ज्वाइन करेगा, तो वो एक कर्व देना चाहिए होल्ड करने के लिए। ठीक है। और जब मैं प्रोडक्शन मतलब प्रोटोटाइप के लिए गया, तो फिर ये पीसीबी को काटने के लिए एक राउटिंग करके, मतलब अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं। अगर मैं डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर शेप लूंगा तो काटना बहुत आसान है, और अगर उसमें कर्व या कुछ भी शेप आता है तो उसमें एक प्रोसेस ऐड हो जाता है, जो जिसका एक कॉस्ट ऐड हो जाता है। तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, हम लोग ये काम, मतलब हम लोग ये कर्व ऐड करेंगे। मैं उस समय ये भी सोच सकता था कि नहीं, ये कॉस्ट ऐड कर रहा है, बात तो एक ही है, मतलब स्क्वायर भी काम करेगा और ये कर्व भी काम करेगा। पर वो जो एक मेंटल पिक्चर मैंने बनाया था कि ऐसे करके बच्चा पकड़ेगा और ज्वाइन करेगा, तो वो मेंटल पिक्चर की वजह से मैं ज्यादा ड्रिवन था कि कॉस्ट भी है तो वो कॉस्ट बियर करेंगे, पर वो फीचर, वो चीज को ऐड करते हैं। तो इस तरह के ना बहुत सारे डिसीजंस आएंगे। कंपोनेंट लेवल पे आता है कि ये कंपोनेंट ऐड करें कि ये नहीं करें। मतलब ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में हो गया। फिजिकल में आप क्या मटेरियल यूज कर रहे हो, बहुत सारी चीजें आती है। जैसे बिट जब हम बना रहे थे, तो हम इसको स्क्वायर शेप बनाए या सर्कल बनाए, ये एक बड़ा वो था। पर फिर हमें लगा कि पूरी दुनिया सर्कल कर रही है, और सर्कल में क्या होता है कि वो कोई भी चीज को ऐसे टर्न हो जाता है। हम चाहते थे कि कोई भी चीज अगर कोई ज्वाइन कर रहा है तो वो उसी उसमें रहे, वो टर्न ना करे, मतलब टॉर्क ना आए उसको। तो इसलिए हमने वो स्क्वायर वाला शेप चूज किया। तो इस तरह के बहुत सारे डिसीजंस होते हैं जो हमें लेने होते हैं। ठीक है। और वो डिसीजन जनरली ना, हमारा जो मेंटल पिक्चर होता है या एक्सपीरियंस होता है जो हमने लिखा है, ड्रॉ किया है, वो हमें वो डिसीजंस में वॉक थ्रू करने में मदद करता है। तो आप भी अगर प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, आप डिजाइन कुछ भी कर रहे हो, तो आपने जो पिक्चर बनाया है, तो वो आपका ना, आपका एक मेंटर बन जाएगा। वो आपको गाइड करेगा कि हाँ, ये करना है कि नहीं करना है। बहुत कई बार ऐसे वो आएंगे, ट्रेड ऑफ्स आएंगे कि आपको लगेगा कि हाँ, अगर कर लेते हैं तो पैसा बचेगा इतना, और फिर आपको लगेगा कि नहीं, ये मैंने सोचा था, ये इससे ज्यादा मतलब प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट लगेगा या एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा होगा, तो आप बोलोगे चलो ठीक है, इतना इतना कॉस्ट ले लेते हैं। कई बार आप कॉस्ट को भी पकड़ के वो करोगे। कई बार टाइम वाइज कि ये अगर करेंगे तो प्रोडक्शन में टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, उस वाइज भी आप डिसाइड करते हो कि क्या शेप, मतलब जो मेंटल पिक्चर है और फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट है, उसमें प्रोटोटाइप है, उसमें डिफरेंस आता है। ठीक है। पर वो पिक्चर जो है ना, वो आपको गाइड करता है कि आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप कैसे लेना है। एक बार आप प्रोटोटाइप बना लेते हो, उसके बाद जो सबसे जरूरी चीज है वो है फीडबैक। जैसे हम लोग अपनी टीम में ये चीज रखते हैं कि कम से कम 7 लोगों से फीडबैक लेना चाहिए अगर आप कोई भी चीज बना रहे हो। ये एक स्टैटिस्टिक्स है कि जनरली 7 के बाद ना फीडबैक रिपीट होने लगता है, बट मिनिमम आपको 7 लोग जो है उनसे लेना चाहिए। ये हम मानते हैं ये चीज इंटरनली। तो लोगों से फीडबैक लेना बहुत जरूरी है। पर फीडबैक का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपका जो मेंटल पिक्चर है जो आपने बनाया है प्रोडक्ट का, वो आप अपने साथ रखे हो। फीडबैक का मतलब ये है कि आप लोगों के पर्सपेक्टिव सुन रहे हो। क्योंकि लोग ना बहुत तरह तरह की बातें बोलेंगे और वो एक कंफ्यूजिंग स्टेट हो जाता है। बट आपको ये समझना है कि कोई कुछ बोल रहा है तो क्यों बोल रहा है। जैसे मान लो आपने कुछ बनाया, मान लो आपने कोई एग्जांपल दो आप किसी चीज का। आ,
If you could, Samyak or
क्या चैन?
Okay.
nee, Samyak, just give an example of your product. No?
अच्छा, so I'll take any example is there, or I'll take
Okay,
my,
sir. So
हाँ,
good evening, sir. My name is Samyak Dainje, and I'm the founder and CEO of Farm Vision. So I have developed three devices named AgroTrack, AgroPod, and AgroTrack Pro. So these devices measure the parameters in agriculture and help the farmers to detect given the data and vice versa work on the data. सो वो फार्मर्स को हमारे ऐप पे वो डेटा शो करता है एंड बाय दैट डेटा फार्मर्स की प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड देयर डिसीजन मेकिंग इजी हो सकते हैं। सो
वाह,
हमने 3 डिवाइसेस बनाए हैं। फर्स्ट इज एग्रोट्रैक। सो उसमें हमने यूज़ किया है सेंसर्स लाइक सॉइल मॉइस्चर, सॉइल टेम्परेचर, सॉइल न्यूट्रिएंट्स, सॉइल पीएच लेवल, सॉइल ईसी लेवल and air humidity, wind sensors, wind direction sensor. So these are sensors हमने एक पीसीबी में हमारे ओन पीसीबी हमने डिज़ाइन किया है, उससे हमने कनेक्ट किया है एंड अ 12 वोल्ट सोलर पैनल टू रिचार्ज द बैटरी ऑल्सो। सो ये हमारा फर्स्ट डिवाइस है। सेकंड डिवाइस इज एग्रोपॉड, और वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स को सेंस करता है। सो एग्रोपॉड इज ओनली associated with soil, and then we have our AgroTrack Pro which is fully made up for large scale farmers. So वो उसमें हमने थोड़े से हाई सेंसर्स यूज किए लाइक चाइनीज सेंसर।
ओके। मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि जब आप कुछ बनाते हो, uh, तो आप व्हाट यू डू इज दैट यू टेक फीडबैक
या
फ्रॉम यूजर्स। सो जैसे आपने मान लीजिए आपने सॉइल वाला सेंसर बनाया कि न्यूट्रिएंट्स का वो ले रहा है, मेजर कर रहा है। अब वो आप ना कुछ यूजर्स को, मतलब जो जो फार्मिंग कर रहे हैं उनको आप दो यूज करने के लिए, तो बट जो आपने मेंटल पिक्चर बनाया है उसका कि वो क्या काम करेगा, तो लोग ना बहुत अलग अलग तरीके के फीडबैक्स देंगे। मतलब कई बार लोग ये बोलेंगे कि अरे मतलब ये इंटरनेट नहीं है। एग्जांपल मैं दे रहा हूँ बस कि
या
या मेरे पास ये मोबाइल नहीं है या ये नहीं है। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट सबके लिए कस्टमाइज करना है या बदलना है। आपको बस ये समझना है कि वो क्यों बोल रहे हैं, मतलब पर्सपेक्टिव उनका समझना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वाई आर दे टेलिंग। मतलब बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि दिस इज बैड, खाली ऐसा बोलेंगे। तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वाई डज एनीबडी थिंक लाइक दैट कि वो अच्छा नहीं है। तो उनका क्या पेन पॉइंट है। तो यू टेक अ लिस्ट, मतलब देन यू क्रिएट अ लिस्ट एंड देन यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके दीज आर द फीडबैक्स। मतलब इट्स नॉट that you need to modify your product first. You the picture that you have created about your product is there, that is a guiding point, or you can say a mentor for you, which tells you that how your product should be designed and how should it look and how should be the experience. And then these are the points जो बता रहे हैं कि what are the pain points of the user when he is using, so what is troubling him, and then you need to make a integration of that. So so और जरूरी नहीं कि हर चीज को you need to integrate. You need to filter out, मतलब you need to understand always कि why is anybody saying something about that. So why वो जो अंदर का पर्सपेक्टिव है ना, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि क्यों, क्या क्या रीजन वो सोच रहा है। तो वो रीजन को एड्रेस करना है आपको, वो फीचर को एड्रेस नहीं करना है। वो रीजन जो है, मतलब अगर कोई बोले कि ये फीचर ऐड कर दो, तो क्यों वो बोल रहा है वो समझो। मतलब हो सकता है कि वो मतलब जैसे मान लो एग्जांपल है कि किसी फार्मर ने आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज किया, पर वो सेंसर को जमीन में गाड़ रहा है, पर मट्टी बहुत हार्ड है, तो आपका सेंसर मान लो टूट गया, एग्जाम्पल के लिए जो
या हाँ।
इंसर्ट करने का है। तो तो उसने बोला कि अरे ये टूट गया, तो आपको समझना है कि वो, और उसने बोल दिया कि वो अच्छा नहीं था, आई कुड नॉट यूज इट। तो आपको समझना है कि व्हाई डिड ही से दैट। तो तब आपको अंदर का इंसाइट मिलेगा कि अच्छा वहां पे मतलब वहां कुछ कुछ ऐसे जगह है जहाँ पे सॉइल बहुत हार्ड है, मैं सेंसर इंसर्ट नहीं कर सकता, तो मे बी मुझे सेंसर के साथ कुछ सपोर्टिंग चीजें देनी चाहिए, या ड्रिल जैसा शेप देना चाहिए, या स्क्रू जैसा शेप देना चाहिए। तो दिस ऑल विल कम विथ फीडबैक, बट you need to go inside and understand the perspective. Okay, so that is important, and that will help you make your product better. क्योंकि अभी तक जो भी आपने सोचा था ना, that was your thought. Now you are getting a different perspectives, and that जितने ज्यादा पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऐड होंगे वो अच्छा होगा। बट अगर आप बिना सोचे समझे करते जाओगे तो वो खिचड़ी बनेगा। तो खिचड़ी कभी नहीं बनाना है, वो चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। देन बेस्ड ऑन द फीडबैक, यू आर द जज फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट। चाहे कोई भी हो, मतलब बी इट एन इन्वेस्टर, बी इट अ कस्टमर, सबके पर्सपेक्टिव सुनो, सबका रीजन सुनो, उससे समझो कि वाई इज somebody saying this, why is somebody saying that, and then you become the judge कि okay what I need to do, what I need to address। और उसके बाद फिर प्रोडक्ट को रीडिजाइन, मतलब आइट्रेट हम लोग बोलते हैं, कि फिर से उसको बनाते हैं और उसमें ये सब चीजें इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं। कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम जो प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, उसके बाद जब हम आइट्रेट करते हैं, तो हम आ, उस इंक्रीमेंटल डेवलपमेंट करते हैं। कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि हम स्क्रैच से सब कुछ क्रिएट करते हैं। तो वो जो है, वो सारा कुछ एज एज अ एंटरप्रेनर बोलो, एज अ प्रोडक्ट डेवलपर बोलो, यू नीड टू थिंक इंक्रीमेंटल डेवलपमेंट इज ऑलवेज गुड। ओके, कई बार लोग ना वो होते हैं कि मतलब बस बहुत हो गया। ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ कुछ प्रोडक्ट डेवलपर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि नहीं, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग, मतलब वो थोड़ा आगे बढ़े और उनको जरा सा सेटबैक आया, फिर उन्होंने सब कुछ स्क्रैप करके फिर से वो कर दिया, तो वो एक लूप में फंसने का चांस भी रहता है उसमें, कि वो वापस से फिर से जब वो बनाते हैं तो फिर से उसमें कुछ ना कुछ, कोई भी चीज़ ना 100% परफेक्ट कभी नहीं बनता है। सो एज अ प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनर, you need to understand that you need to iterate, okay, and मतलब जो भी do incremental development until your product reaches an acceptance point, कि वो सबको पसंद आने लगे। सो ये एक बार हो गया। देन द सेकेंड बिग चैलेंज which comes is that you need to प्रोड्यूस दैट इन मास। सो अब वो जो होता है, जैसे कई बार हम बहुत सारी चीजें बनाते हैं, तो हम कुछ यूज करते हैं, जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में एग्जांपल, हम कंट्रोलर में आर्डिनो का कंट्रोलर से बहुत कुछ बनाते हैं। बट जब मास प्रोडक्शन में जाते हैं तब समझ में आता है कि यार प्रोडक्ट तो बहुत महंगा बन जाएगा। तो वी नीड टू फाइंड ऑल्टरनेटिव्स फॉर दैट। या फिर हम कुछ फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं, तो हम फिर देखते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्शन हम करेंगे या हम किसी से करवाएंगे। अगर हम करेंगे तो वी नीड टू सेट प्रोसेसेस फॉर दैट, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट्स बनेंगे, उसमें से कुछ खराब निकलेंगे, फिर हमें टेस्टिंग करना होगा। आ, कई कई बार कंपोनेंट्स में चीज़ें खराब निकलती हैं। फिर हमें वो टेस्टिंग करके फिर वो कंपोनेंट्स या तो चेंज करना है या फिर वो पूरा फिर से प्रोडक्शन करना है। तो हमें प्रोसेसेस क्रिएट करने पड़ेंगे। तो ये एक लेटर स्टेज में आएगा, जब आप प्रोडक्ट जो है वो एक्सेप्टेंस लेवल पे आ गया, मतलब लोगों को अच्छा लगा, लोग उसको खरीदने को तैयार है। तब आप फिर आते हो नेक्स्ट स्टेज में, जहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन उसका अच्छे से हो। वो भी एक बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग काम है। और उसमें होता है कि हमें बहुत सारे वेंडर्स ढूंढने पड़ते हैं, वेंडर से मिलना पड़ता है, उनका काम देखना पड़ता है। और फिर पैसे के बारे में बात करना पड़ता है कि हम आपको इतना क्वांटिटी का ऑर्डर देंगे, आप इतना हमें क्रेडिट इतना दीजिए, इस तरह का मटेरियल यूज कीजिए। सो ऑल these थिंग्स दे कम, and then you can do mass production, but still challenges will keep coming, because things will not be perfect all the time. But as a product developer, you need to keep a track. अच्छे processes रहेंगे तो it will be easy for you to find out the problem, and then again apply your engineering skills and solve the problem. So दिस इज इट, दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, मतलब मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है अभी तक का, उससे मुझे लगता है कि दिस इज हाउ प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट शुड बी अप्रोच्ड। एंड जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि आप ये इतना लंबा है जर्नी है, तो उसमें उसका जो ड्राइविंग फोर्स है ना वो स्ट्रांग इनफ होना चाहिए। नहीं तो फिर आप जब चैलेंजेस आते हैं तो वो आप आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं इतना टाइम क्यों अपना लगा रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ और कर लेता। तो वो जो ड्राइविंग फोर्स है ना वो इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि आप सस्टेन कर पाओ पूरे टाइम तक।
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir. Anybody has any questions for sir regarding related to product development, or processes, or anything? He's the main man to ask. Yeah,
Uh, can I ask a question?
please, please.
Yeah. What were the struggles you faced when you were developing with Blocks Vision, AI Vision, and Witblox AI Chat? Like the
Uh,
struggles you faced?
yeah, actually, struggles they keep coming. Initially, the struggle was that if you have used AI vision, then if you might have seen that AI vision always requires internet connection. Means
Yeah,
it's a IoT device. So the
yeah.
challenge was that uh, we needed to, मतलब we needed to freeze the protocol of communication, कि वो एक दूसरे से बात कैसे करेगा। जैसे AI, if you look at what we are doing in AI vision, the same kind of work is being done on other boats, but those boats are very costly, like Jetson Nano है, और वो सब है, वो 10,000 का बोट आता है।
Oh,
और फिर हम जब बना रहे थे तो हमने सोचा कि मे बी वी कैन ट्राई आउट रास्पबेरी पाई, बट रास्पबेरी पाई में भी AI कंप्यूटेशन ऑन द डिवाइस वाज नॉट पॉसिबल, मतलब वो एकदम गर्म होके वो हो जा रहा था। तो वी the challenge was how to do it, मतलब people were doing it on laptop, but how do we do it on physical वो। then we found out the मतलब फाउंड आउट क्या, मतलब ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करते करते वी क्रैक्ड दिस मेथड कि वी everybody has got a very high computation device which everybody is carrying in their pockets। मतलब उसमें जितना मेमोरी है, उसमें जितना रैम है, वो बाकी चीजों में नहीं है। तो व्हाई नॉट यूज दैट एज एन एडवांटेज। so so we came up with the idea that we will not do AI on chip। मतलब AI vision में if you look at, AI का कंपटीशन उस पे नहीं हो रहा है, सो दैट ब्रॉट डाउन द कॉस्ट ऑफ AI अलॉट। सारा जो कंपटीशन है वो एक ब्राउजर पे हो रहा है, विच इज आइदर रनिंग ऑन योर मोबाइल फोन और इट इज रनिंग ऑन योर डेस्कटॉप। मतलब कहीं पे भी आप ब्राउजर खोल दो, आपका लैपटॉप में भी बहुत मेमोरी है, इट कैन सस्टेन वेरी वेल, या मोबाइल में भी मेमोरी है, तो इट कैन वर्क वेरी वेल। एंड देन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज दैट फ्रॉम देयर वी आर जस्ट कम्युनिकेटिंग टू द हार्डवेयर, so we just focused on communication. So I think that was a major breakthrough, and that helped us design a product which was not there at all in the market. Uh, you can do AI based products. Abhi bhi, if you look at, so there are products related to AI, but everybody is just showing their output on a laptop. Ours is that we are getting an output on a hardware board. Now the other thing what we are doing on AI is that now we are building a camera also on the chip itself. So, but again in that there is like there are lots of challenges कि वहाँ पे कैमरा का डेटा it has to be compressed, और वो फिर हमें मतलब we cannot do that on chip, क्योंकि चिप में ना इतना कंपटीशन करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. So again, we have to follow the same process, but उसमें two-way communication is required. So these are the challenges. ये तो मैं टेक्निकल साइड का चैलेंज बोला, बट जब मैं लॉन्च किया है इसको, तो मैंने बहुत सारे यूजर रिलेटेड चैलेंज भी फेस किए, जैसे हाउ टू कनेक्ट इट विथ इंटरनेट. हमने एक डिसीजन लिया था कि वी विल डिजाइन एआई विजन एट लो कॉस्ट. इफ यू लुक, वो ऑलमोस्ट 999 का बोर्ड है, तो हमने उसमें डिस्प्ले नहीं डाला. तो वो डिस्प्ले नहीं डालने की वजह से क्योंकि हम उसका कॉस्ट कम रखना चाहते थे, तो डिस्प्ले नहीं डाला. तो फिर एक चैलेंज हो गया है कि अब वो कनेक्टेड है कि नहीं है, वो बस हम एलईडी के लाइट से बता रहे हैं. और एक कनेक्शन का जो मेथड है वो थोड़ा सा मतलब ना वो है, मतलब यूजर को थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल टेक्निकल तो नहीं है, नॉर्मल ही है, बट यूजर को थोड़ा सा समझ के काम करना पड़ता है. तो वो बहुत फ्रेंडली भी नहीं है और बहुत डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं है, तो वो मीडियम में है.
Sir,
हम्म.
so you can use that buzzer no for that voice detection that he will get to know that it is on.
हाँ, वहाँ पे वी कैन यूज बजर और वी कैन यूज एलईडी. वी हैव यूज दैट. मतलब वी हैव टू काइंड्स ऑफ लाइट, वन इज ग्रीन लाइट एंड वन इज ब्लू लाइट. so blue light मतलब it is not connected to internet, and green light means it is connected to internet. बट वो जो है ना कि यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड डालने के लिए हमें एक एक प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करना पड़ता है कि वो
हाँ,
पहले अपना हॉटस्पॉट बनाएगा, फिर आप वो हॉटस्पॉट में यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड डालो. तो अगर हम ऐसा कुछ करते कि हम उस पे डिस्प्ले देते, तो बहुत आसान हो जाता कि यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड हम वहाँ पे दिखा सकते थे, डिस्प्ले कर सकते थे. या फिर हम इनपुट का कोई तरीका रखते कि आप ऐसे इनपुट कर सकते हो यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड इंटरनेट का. तो हमने जो फॉलो किया है वो कॉस्ट वाइज काफी इफेक्टिव है, बट एक इनिशियल एक वो है, मतलब बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं जो बहुत टेक फ्रेंडली नहीं है, वो थोड़ा सा ट्रबल फील करते हैं.
हाँ. और सर इसमें जस्ट कैन यू क्लियर मी दैट अगर हमने सपोज मतलब हमें वेरी क्विकली ऑर्डर्स चाहिए हमारे प्रोडक्ट के, तो वो यूट्यूब
That
से
is
ला.
a different path, Sarvajna. Right now, the talk is about product development. मतलब आपका प्रोडक्ट बनाए कैसे, वो मार्केटिंग सेल्स में आता है, वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे.
हाँ, तो फिर वो जो प्रोडक्ट है वो हम ऐसे मतलब उसकी कॉस्ट को इफेक्टिव कैसे बनाए जनरली अभी विदाउट बल्क प्रोडक्शन के जगह.
आ, आप जो भी प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, तो जब आप प्रोटोटाइप बनाते हो तो आपको एक आइडिया लग जाता है कि उसका कॉस्ट क्या हो रहा है. उसके बाद बट जो प्रोटोटाइप हम लोग बनाते हैं, हम लोग जनरली अवेलेबल चीजें यूज करते हैं। जैसे हम आर्डिनो यूज करेंगे क्योंकि हमें उसका नॉलेज ज्यादा है। फिर हम रेगुलर कंपोनेंट्स यूज करेंगे, आईसीज यूज करेंगे। बट जब आप प्रोडक्शन में करने जाते हो तो उस समय ना एक अलग माइंडसेट लगता है जो आपने बनाया है। फिर आपको बैठना पड़ेगा, मतलब वो हो सकता है कि 1-2 महीने उसको लग जाए कि आप सारे कंपोनेंट्स का सोर्सिंग देखोगे कि कहाँ पे क्या सस्ता मिलेगा। दूसरा है कि ना आप कंट्रोलर का कॉस्ट चेंज करने के लिए आप कंट्रोलर चेंज करने का सोचोगे। जैसे बीच में जब कोविड का टाइम आया था, हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स निकाले थे, जैसे प्लॉटर ब्लॉक्स था और भी कुछ कुछ थे। तो हमने जब निकाला उस समय आर्डिनो का कॉस्ट, हमने उसमें एटमेगा यूज किया था आईसी। उस समय एटमेगा का कॉस्ट कम था। पर बाद में कोविड के बाद उसका कॉस्ट ना वो एकदम 10 टाइम्स बढ़ गया। हमें सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को आउट ऑफ स्टॉक करना पड़ा कि हम इसको बेच ही नहीं सकते अब इस प्राइस पे। और फिर हमें वापस से आर एन डी करके सारा जो कंपोनेंट्स जो हमने यूज किया था जिसका कॉस्ट बढ़ गया था, हमने देखा कि हम ऑल्टरनेटिव क्या कंपोनेंट यूज कर सकते हैं, और फिर
ओके,
हम उसको वापस से स्टॉक में लाए।
मतलब
तो
हमें जनरली अगर हमारा प्रोडक्ट है उसकी सेल जनरेट हो गई, पर अगर किसी मतलब वो कंपनी है जो कुछ बना रही है, वो आर्डिनो वगैरह जो हमें सप्लाई दे रही है, अगर उन्होंने बना दिया वो मतलब आर्डिनो, उसकी प्राइस बढ़ा दी, तो हमें हर बार उसी के जैसा इफिशिएंट उसी के जितने पावर का हर बार चेंज करना पड़ेगा
नहीं,
डिपेंडिंग ऑन द
हर बार
टाइम।
चेंज नहीं करना पड़ेगा। जब आप प्रोडक्ट बनाओगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कौन सा कंट्रोलर सस्ता होता है, कौन सा। जैसे आर्डिनो ना लर्निंग के लिए है, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट के लिए वो नहीं है, वो प्रोडक्शन के लिए नहीं है। तो जब हम लोग कोई चीज बनाते हैं तो हम यूजर एक्सेप्टेंस देख लेते हैं कि हाँ लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं, लोग खरीदना चाहते हैं। फिर पैसा, मतलब आप कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हो तो आप प्रॉफिट के लिए करते हो, बराबर। और
यस।
आपको ये भी समझ में आता है कि एक हर चीज का ना एक प्राइस का एक वो रहता है। मतलब आप जैसे एक चेस का बोर्ड था जो मतलब उसमें ना खुद से पीसेस मूव कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। वो वो भी हमने भी बनाया, मतलब प्रोटो वर्जन में। तो हमें दिखा कि वो रास्पबेरी पाई यूज करना पड़ रहा है उसमें प्रोसेसर के लिए। और उसका कॉस्ट जो है वो रास्पबेरी पाई जो हम यूज कर रहे थे, तो मेकिंग कॉस्ट ही अराउंड 6-7 थाउजेंड तक चला जा रहा था, ठीक है। तो हमें समझ में आ रहा था कि वो प्रोडक्ट को हम मार्केट में बेच ही नहीं सकते।
हाँ, क्योंकि जनरली एक चेस बोर्ड के लिए 10-12 हजार कोई पे नहीं कर सकता ना।
करेक्ट। तो ये रियलाइजेशन हो जाता है जब आप कोई चीज बना रहे हो ना। तो आपको रियलाइजेशन ये हो जाता है कि अच्छा चलो इसके बदले में ये यूज किया तो प्राइस कम हो जाएगा, ये यूज किया तो प्राइस कम हो जाएगा। तो वो सारा कुछ हमें, मतलब प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट के बाद भी R&D काफी है।
Correct. Devansh, you have a question?
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
Actually, I don't have a question. The thing is, in the last cohort meeting, which we did, I was actually absent in that cohort meeting where everybody explained their ideas.
Yeah,
So, can I get a moment to explain my ideas?
sure. Go ahead.
Okay, so actually, my idea, uh, one day I was passing with my dad in front of a nursery where I saw plants wrapped around in black plastic bags. I thought that instead of these black plastic bags, we can use anything eco-friendly because everybody is saying that the it's global warming is increasing. We should give more greenery and that all. So I thought that I can replace these black plastic bags. So I came up with the idea named e-coir pots. They are eco-friendly alternatives for the black plastic bags. They also act as a fertilizer for your plant. So as the customer gets the plant home, they tear out down the plastic, throw it, and then plant the plant in their pot. But in our e-coir pot, you don't need to take it out and plant it. You keep the whole pot in your plastic pot, and you can like keep soil on top of that. It will decompose and act as an actual fertilizer. It will fertilize your plants, and it's also good for the environment.
That's awesome, Devansh. Thank you so much for the introduction. Any other questions for Amit sir, so then we can move on to the next. Samik,
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir. So we have developed a prototype, and like same we have used for microcontroller like ESP32 6, ESP8826. So for a refined product, what should we use, like a GSM sim or other kind of stuff for microcontroller?
I think ESP is a good choice because ESP is quite cheaper than other controllers,
Yeah.
processors also. If you are building on ESP, it's good. Then once you achieve a critical mass, then maybe you can means you can explore. Like there are lots of other ICs also. But I think at this stage ESP is good because we also use ESP a lot.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Amit sir. I think it is a great learning for all. So I am very, very grateful for your for you to come in this event and take your session. And I'm sure the people who are building tech products will have learned something very much valuable. So thank you so much, Amit sir. We'll go on to
Thank
the
you,
next
Jan.
question. Yeah.
Thank you for calling me here. And you are doing a great work, yeah. I always get inspired from your work.
Nee,
We
nee,
keep
thank you so
talking all
much.
the time, but yeah, this is the truth.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, going on to the next section, we are going to actually build a product together. So, it's going to be a tech product for those who are building a application. This is something for you all. So, it's a session on UX UI design, but we will be following all the steps that Amit sir said. So, starting from a mission. So, Tisya, are you here?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So, we're all going to work on a prototype for your app. Okay. And we're all going to work together on it. Okay. So, Tisha, if you can state your problem statement. So, this is for everybody to develop. Okay. We're going to do it together. So, I would love if Tisha, if you could just say your problem statement out loud, and then we can work on it together.
Yeah, so my problem statement is like many a times people like they don't have anyone to play with, like so nobody's there because people are busy in classes. Even sometimes in grown-ups, like parents can't find anyone. So in this app, you can find the perfect place to play with, a perfect place to play in, and the perfect people to play with. And also, it will also reduce the screen time of children, especially, and also adults.
Awesome. So, I hope everybody's clear with the mission statement. Yeah. पक्का क्लियर सबने फेस किया होगा प्रॉब्लम टाइम नहीं मिलता
Sir,
है दोस्त नहीं मिलते कभी टाइम नहीं मिलता है कभी दोस्त नहीं मिलते कभी दोनों नहीं मिलते ओके सो लेट्स ऑल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन अ प्रोटोटाइप ओके सो आई विल बी शेयरिंग माई स्क्रीन आई वुड लव इफ ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल कैन work side by side. So whatever I do, I would request all of you all to do it with me. Okay, so we're going to go to Google. Okay.
sir,
Uh,
just
yeah.
can I start after 2 minutes because my lap I need to on my laptop, and please can
Okay.
you
No issues. No issues. You start after 2 minutes. Very simple. First, we'll just log in and get ourselves ready till that time. Okay. So I would request all of you all to search on Google FIGMA, Figma. Okay,
मग पटकन यायचंय
cool.
लॅपटॉप वरती open करून घे
Uh,
ही मीटिंग
Vedna, you can mute yourself. Okay. So everybody's searched it on Google.
So, actually, my product doesn't contain any tech. Like we use
That's completely okay.
powder.
It's okay. You still do it with us. No
Okay.
problem. Even if it doesn't contain any tech. Okay. This is just the process that Amit sir he identified. We're gonna learn how to implement the process, even if it is not a tech product, even if it is a completely so it's even if it's a service. Okay, we're gonna do something together. Okay, so let's all go to this tool Figma, Figma. I would request you all to click on Get Started for free. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with Google. So I'm going to select an account. Okay. And it will show this. So it'll show some options to you, show some sign up details to you, and then you will finally reach this place. Click on new design file and keep it open till here. Okay. So once you're all reach here, give me a thumbs up. Okay. So this is the screen that you want to reach. Done? Samyak done? Anybody else done? Take your time, it's okay, no hurries. Figma, figma.com. Okay. We will log in and then click on new design file. Anybody else has done? Nia,
Sir, I
Laksha?
joined from the
Yeah,
other device. Can you?
yeah, join in. Okay. Saira,
Sir, I'm not getting the option that you're getting. For me, it's just showing Figma basics. It's not
can
allowing
you
me to.
share your screen? Is it possible?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. You see the F in the top left? The F, the logo, top left. Figma Basics. You see the logo above that? Yeah, click on that logo. Above this. The logo. Yeah. Then click on back to files. And now click on create new, top right. Create new. Can you see that blue button on the top right? Yeah, and then click on design file. Okay, awesome.
Sir,
Thank
it's
you.
sir, what kind of work do you want to do?
Just write anything, just select anyone, doesn't matter.
I'll just select.
Yeah, just select all those options.
Sir, can you allow me to getting?
Yeah, yeah. Radha, Lakshya, Arav, Shireen, Akshan. Done, Saira?
Sir, it's
Awesome.
asking me for a plan.
So share your screen if you can.
Sir, done.
Done? Awesome.
Share.
Excuse me, sir. What do we
Yeah,
have to do? Can you tell it again?
click on starter.
Where?
Go to figma.com and then log in.
Just a sec, sir.
Login.
Where do we need?
Sign up, sign. Yeah, just click on continue.
Sir, where do we need to go?
Design with Figma. Figma.com. Google.
Google. Okay, just one sec.
Now click on new design file. So when you Again, click on the F on the top left.
What do we need to search, sir?
Figma, figma.com. New
FIG.
design file. Okay, awesome. Great. You've reached it.
Okay. Why isn't this dark?
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
That's get started for free.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Come on, Sarvadna. I know you're smart enough. You can do it on your own. Chalo.
Oh, I'm sharing my. Okay, sorry.
Yeah. So everybody has reached here. Awesome. Now we're gonna go one step ahead. Okay.
Do we need to create it with Google?
Yeah. Just yeah. Create the account. Okay.
Okay, just 1 minute, sir.
Okay. So can you all see a share button? You can see the share.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir, where is it? Share, okay.
After that, what do we write?
Sir, you're lagging, sir.
Sir, maybe your internet went bye-bye.
Yeah.
Sir?
Are you there, sir?
Sir.
Yeah, just a second, wait.
Yeah, sir, are you there?
मग चार्जिंगला लाव ना, चार्जिंग गेली, याचं चार्जर पण नाही इथं.
Huh? Yeah, sir.
Hello. Sorry, my internet went.
Sir, here it's showing that get started for free again.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir, just 1 minute. Yes, sir, I shared it. It is showing me get started and it is showing open Gmail.
Yeah. Click.
Then what to do?
Verify
What is it?
email.
Yeah, just verify the mail. Come on, Sarvadna, you're building a tech product. What are you doing? क्या है? I didn't expect this from you. Come on.
सर वो ये
अभी आप थोड़ा अपना दिमाग लगाओ. Come on. I believe in you. चलो. You
ओके
can
सर
just log in. लॉग इन करने में अगर मेरा हेल्प चाहिए तो फिर तो क्या होएगा तुम्हारा? चलो.
सर
Okay,
जस्ट
I'm gonna share my screen and continue. Okay. Okay. So now I hope all of y'all can see my screen. So now first thing we're gonna do is type. Have you all shared the link with me in the chat box?
No, sir.
Which link, sir?
We
Okay,
have
so
to
what
share
you have to
the
do is click on share on the top
Yeah.
right.
Copy
Blue
link.
button, copy link and share it in the chat box.
In the chat
Okay.
box. This chat box, right?
Yeah, the meeting
Got
chat. Okay, awesome. So
Right.
I've got
Sir,
Shan.
there are two people that I can send to. OLL host and OLL co-host.
You send it to what am I? I'm OLL co-host.
Oh.
Wait, I'll just rename myself. Wait, Shreyan.
And I'll just resend it again.
Yeah.
How do you rename yourself, sir?
By clicking on the three dots and then rename. Okay, so we got Lakshya, we've got Samyak, we've got Nia. Okay, awesome. We got Akshan and we got Arav and Radha and Devansh, Isya, Saira. I think yours is still to come.
So I've sent it. Oh, I must have sent it to the other one.
Yeah, just send it to
Right.
me.
Sorry.
No
I'll-
issues.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Just a minute.
Okay.
Change my name, sir.
Wait, I'll rename you. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Okay,
thanks.
awesome.
Yeah, thanks.
Cool. So we've got everyone. Yes. Anybody knows how to use Figma already?
No.
No?
Sir, is it like Canva?
Somewhat. Okay. It's like Canva for app development, website design and all. Okay. So let's do one thing. Okay. So first thing is we all are clear with the mission statement. We want to help people who want to find friends for playing sports or just play date. Okay.
Sir, so with what idea should I write?
So the idea's name, Tisya, company name, please.
Sir, the thing is actually I don't need tech in my company.
Even if you don't need tech in your company, learn how to do it. Okay.
Yeah, I learn how to do it, but then what should I write here?
You write Playmigos. Playmigos is the company name. Okay.
Play
So
me.
yeah, so we're making for the company Playmigos. Okay, that is Tisya's company. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is uh as we discussed with Amit sir, the first step in the process cleared out. The mission is clear. Okay.
Sir,
Second step,
how do you write it?
bro, come on, man. Do I teach you the
There's
spelling?
an option. There's like a text option at the bottom.
It
Yeah.
is okay. We're not
Hello.
the typing
Sir,
part. I'll teach you all these things. Come on,
excuse
don't
me,
worry.
sir.
Yes.
As Sarvadnya didn't get the link.
Sarvadnya has sent the link or no?
No, sir, he didn't get the link.
No, no, it's figma.com. Nobody has gotten a link.
Actually, he joined from the new device now, so he didn't understood what he have to do.
He
Can you
just has to log in. He just has to
log
sign up.
into Sigma?
Figma.com. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, PLAMINGOS.
चलेगा जो भी नाम आपको देना ठीक है. So first thing clear, mission is clear. Next step is now we have to get the mental picture clear. Okay, what is it? What does an app where you find friends look like? So what you have to do is you have to research on the current solutions. Okay, so what comes to your mind when you think of current solutions? Anybody? Like where do you find friends to play with, or what is a friend app, or come on, any ideas? What is the current solutions?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp
Discord.
group,
Phone.
Discord. Okay.
Discord also, yeah, Discord.
WhatsApp groups, Discord. What else? What is the current solutions?
How do you make a arrow? Okay.
Come on, come on.
What are the bullet points?
What are the current solutions?
Skype.
Skype. Skype? Who uses?
Some iOS people still use Skype. And then
Okay.
we have messengers.
These are messaging apps. But what are the current solutions of finding?
So there's an app called Find a Friend, but I don't think it's used very often.
Yeah. Have you all heard of any dating apps? Have you all heard of Bumble? Tinder?
Oh,
No?
Yes.
Okay, don't use it. We'll just use it for reference. Okay.
There's that jeevansathi.com as well.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Jeevansathi.com. Okay. Chal. So we've got a few examples where people find each other. Okay, what about this? Have you all what about social media? Instagram,
Instagram, Snapchat.
Instagram, Snapchat,
Threads.
Threads, right? So all of these are current solutions that people are using, right? To find friends to play sports with. Okay. So example on Instagram, they would find a page which would be like sports events. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to search all these options currently. Okay. And get screenshots of those apps added into this page. Okay.
yeah.
So what all are the current solutions? So let's see. I'll do it for you all right now. and then we'll only do it together. You can also do it if you want. So WhatsApp group for sports uh in Mumbai, because I live in Mumbai. So example, here's a WhatsApp group, sports group link. Okay, so we've got cricket, we got
Football.
football, sports edit. So right now the current solution is I can join the chat. So I'll have to open my WhatsApp. I'll have to join the chat. Okay. So maybe it's not working right now. But then after that, what will happen is they'll give me some options. Wait.
Football lover. Join football.
Yeah. Football subgroup for football.
So do we have to join the group?
No, no, no. Don't join it.
Okay.
I'll just join it for my reference. So mm, okay, so see example like this. So currently we have weekend slots, Saturday, Sunday, 4:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Okay. So this is one way people are finding, football gameplays. Okay. Then people don't use, I don't think people use Jeevan Sathi to find uh people to play sports with. So we're gonna rule that out. Okay. Then we have on Instagram, let's search for sports, football Mumbai. Okay, so example, I want to find friends I want to play with. So I'm gonna be a little bit more specific. So it comes um the football. What do I say? Football community? No,
Football coaching.
football Mumbai meetup. ऐसा कुछ.
Football Mumbai coaching.
Coaching. Sports Academy for coaching in Mumbai and Thane. This is coaching, but see again, this is like I'll have to call that person to book a demo session. Okay, and then I'll be able to get that. Wait. So we got one more Instagram page, Facebook page. I don't think Discord does have, but I don't know exactly where it will have. But okay, chalo, we found our current way that people are playing sports or finding people to play sports with, right? Is there any other way that you'll think? Today, if you want to play sports with a random person, how will you play? Or you want to find a person to play sports, how will you play? Hmm?
Like joining other people, let's say if I take a walk in the society and I find people playing sports, just joining them.
Yeah, absolutely. That's one.
Yeah,
Society.
society.
Correct. So people playing sports. What else? Any other? You ask your friends
Hello, sir.
something. Yeah.
What to do after it got logged?
Click on new design file.
Still there?
Uh, on
Create
sir,
create new design file. Yeah.
create new design.
Yeah, design file.
But it after I logged in it, it again came that thing bigger, build faster, get started for free.
Array, Sarvanya, try from a different this thing. Different browser.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
You
at
should
school
reach this page.
usually Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
So at school, usually whenever anyone joins a new school, they
Correct.
just look at what everyone's doing. Like there are all sorts of different groups all spread out all over the playground. Like one group is playing hopscotch and one group is just reading. Then
Yeah.
that person just decides which is his or her type, and then usually that person goes and asks the group if we can join or not.
Correct. Absolutely. In your P class, and then you have your school
Yeah.
teams.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, great. Yeah. Tisha, you're here.
Also,
You should be the person who should be telling us all these answers now. You're the person who's building your business. Come on. So yes, yeah,
Okay, can I show you my screen? What to do? I don't know. Means I opened it, but I don't know what to do ahead.
yeah. Sarvadna, share your screen.
Sir,
Don't
I
worry.
was copying from you.
Can anybody help Sarvadna log in?
sure.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, you logged in. So click on the F on the
That
top
F
right
at the very top.
above this. Yeah.
Back
Back to
to
files.
files.
Back to files. Back to
It's
files.
okay. Click on new design file.
Yeah,
It's okay.
Figma.
Yes. Congratulations, Sarvadna. You have logged in.
Figma. Sigma.
Chalo. Great. Now I will continue sharing. Okay, awesome. So, what
Thank
are
you,
the
sir.
problems? Yes, thank you. So, what all are the problems that people are currently facing with these solutions?
So there can be people who have social anxiety,
Right, absolutely.
and because of social anxiety, they can also be mute at times. It's a
Yeah,
condition.
many parents might not leave their children alone, like playing at
And so they can have disabilities. They can also they might
absolutely.
also have the deaf if they're like deaf. So they can.
Yeah, that is also possible. Special people.
So we have to write this the thing you are writing.
You don't need to write. Just see the screen. We'll when you need to do something, I'll tell you what to do.
And
Okay.
if we're looking for like people who have like online clubs, or if we're searching for those, some of them can actually be fake, like they can be scams just to like try and lure
Yeah,
you in.
absolutely.
Sir, what is the another test box for? Ask after beside asking your friends.
So, this is the problems that people are facing with the current solutions.
Okay.
And as you guys saw when I was searching for that group, okay, like there were like 99 fake groups. Like we clicked on it also, it was so fake. So this is a very valid type, very valid point. And what else?
You will
parents.
have to search a lot. You'll have to search a lot to find like proper places that are close to you, something that is like you have to verify the sources as well.
Correct.
Who-
Parents might not let their children go
Sir,
alone.
please
Yeah,
copy. Sir, can you please copy whatever you have written in the second text box and paste it in the chat box?
Ari, you don't need to write this. Yeah, don't worry. There's no exam for this.
Sir, no, sir. I just want to write it that I can.
Tell guys, I'll send my Figma file to you. You copy paste that, okay? Chalo.
Oh,
Okay.
we can also make. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm so dumb.
Are who was saying something? Someone was saying something.
Oh, I'm
ठीक है. So, so now next step, ठीक है? So we have found these all problems are there with the current solutions. Okay. So now can you all imagine an app which solves these problems? Can you imagine a solution? Forget app. Just imagine a solution for this. What would it look like? Let's brainstorm on the solution. Anybody?
Would look
Just
like flamingos.
absolutely. But what does Playmigos look like?
That we'll have to create the app interface, right?
Yeah. So what all features should we add in our app? What all should it solve?
There
Let's
should,
talk about it.
yeah,
It
sorry.
will solve
There
all
should
the
be a
problems
map.
which we have discussed.
Like a
Sorry.
specific sports column for.
Right.
Yeah.
I think there should be one special map where it shows exactly where, where all these people are so that they can meet up at one specific location.
Okay.
Just like Instagram has some software to find out what the people like and show videos like that, there should
Yeah.
be some sort of software that figures out what kind of people that person likes.
Absolutely.
Just takes.
How do you solve the social anxiety factor? Like example, if I'm an introvert, so I would not be able to randomly meet some
So they
person.
can match you both with introverts and introverts.
That'll be even
Then
worse.
all the people in the chat will be
Nobody will
silent.
talk to each other then.
Yeah, exactly. So how do we do it? Come on, think. So there
They
will
will
be group.
first talk to each other
Maybe
online, right? Then
so.
they might plan to meet up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There
yeah,
can be another solution to this, like let's say people are not comfortable calling each other. Maybe they'll be like more comfortable texting each other. So there should be like options for texting.
And also,
Continue.
And so meeting the right friends for people with social anxiety.
yeah,
I was
So like
thinking that maybe there should be one physical meetup at least a month. Like there could be one festival, and all the people who use Playmigos are invited to join, and then they can decide whether, they want to be friends or not with anyone.
yeah,
plus as the map which we wrote in the solutions,
yeah,
it can be like, it's not like they are showing people from Bihar when you are sitting in Hyderabad. People near you
yeah.
like that sport.
Absolutely.
The app it should be designed to provide like information or like a description of the people you meet, like a profile, you can say.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
you send requests and then it shows all the details about the person.
Correct. Absolutely. With the request. And I think there should be like the safety feature is very important on the app. So there should be some kind of verification before
Yeah,
you.
HTTPS.
And there should also be a report button so that like people who have experienced any form of scam, they can report the user like who's doing the.
Correct.
That's all.
Yeah. And I think there should be a feedback button, like,
Yeah, feedback. Oh wow, how did we forget
and also maybe it should be linked with the sports place, like the place that they will actually play, so that they can do bookings for the sport place or
that? Yeah,
We will do the bookings. They just have to choose whichever ground they like.
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Any other ideas coming to your mind, popping up?
And it should also match the ages, like it doesn't give you an old person for you, like
Yeah, yeah.
matching ages.
AI
Use
profile to
social
match your
media
location.
algorithms to figure out exactly what each person likes.
Yeah, AI that
Yes.
finds the perfect match. Chalo. So can we picture up like, okay, just imagine this. A login a sign up screen where you first have to verify yourself by, say, putting your school ID card or something like that. Okay. And then once you verify yourself, you enter your location, your age, your time availability, when all you are available to play sports. Okay. Then after that, you get a list of sports, categories of sports. So whichever sports you are interested in, you checkbox, checkbox, checkbox. Okay. And then when you click on next, you get profiles of people. So you get to request or send a message directly. Do you want to play a sport? Yes. Okay, let's play this. And then they can meet up, play the sport. They can book the location from the app itself. And then once they meet up, they can give feedback. How was the sport experience?
So,
Yeah.
just for seeing, I don't say the idea is very bad. I'm saying the idea is very good. But then just for seeing, I searched on Google app to play sports with people. I
Yeah.
actually found an app which is Playo,
Okay.
where you can meet and find players. You can install it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That definitely. Download it. Let's see. I think it has 35,000 reviews also on it. Must be good. Yeah, let's see it. Why not? So maybe we can even take some screens from this app.
Yeah.
Why not? Okay, so as you guys can see, level matched players, games and players nearby, track your weekly
On
goals.
discounts on every booking and track your weekly goals. So we can also add this in the solutions of our app.
Correct, absolutely. Can you guys take can someone download the app and take some screenshots?
Yeah, sure. I'll see if I can.
Yeah.
Uh, so actually, you don't need to download this app. You can just search it on Google and what do you say? Playo.co will come.
Acha,
Yeah, I did.
perfect.
Yeah.
So find players in venues nearby. Okay, let's see. Uh, and best.
Right. That's right. I have to write everything.
Oh wow, this is quite interesting.
Where did you went? Can you tell?
No, just we're just exploring.
What?
We're just exploring all the options
For what?
for we're just seeing what are the current apps providing. So as you guys can see, this app is providing like say tennis, then five-a-side. Okay, this is providing tennis. Okay, what if
Or
we
Question.
yeah.
Will Playmigos just be about sports or will they be about other groups as well? Like, for example, a bunch of guys coming together to play games, like online games? Or will it just be sports only?
Tisha?
It will be mostly sports because we are mostly preventing online, like watching it. Oh, gaming. Yes, got it.
Correct.
So there, you can also choose your sports here, which day you wanna join. You can pay and
So
join a game. You can filter and sort by your age, time, skill, and others. Game time.
wow,
There are a lot of features in this.
amazing. This is
Oh, so
kind of
you can also book the places and even you can train players. Oh,
awesome.
and get trained also. Sheesh.
What are your thoughts on this, Tisha?
Yeah, but Plimigos is mostly for children. So,
Right.
special
Yeah,
children.
we can say that this might be for adults.
Absolutely. Correct. So 100% right. So this app is something we have got like a gold mine, right? We know what works. They've spent years in developing this. See,
Yeah.
now there is one thing that you guys need to learn. Okay. In school, we've been taught copying is not good. Okay.
Yeah, so
But,
we can and
but
we can take
huh,
ideas from this. Let's not copy this, but we can take ideas from this.
absolutely, absolutely. But have you all heard this quote that you know uh, quote on copy, steal. What was that quote called? Yeah, good artists copy, great artists steal. Okay, now we don't want to, just forget the words, but focus on the fact that if someone has spent years in developing something, which they have spent a lot of time in doing, okay, then we should be shameless, and learn from their learnings, and not, you know, be like, okay, no, I'm gonna fail again and try again. No, you would just learn from whatever they've already spent years of effort in making, and then you can pick up a lot of elements from that to develop your own app or your own product. Okay, this applies to all of your. It's not bad to learn from someone else's learnings. Okay, it saves you a lot of time.
Yeah.
Okay, so awesome.
सर
Can
So
you
इन जनरल वाइल टेकिंग आइडियाज फ्रॉम अनदर वन, वो हमें ऐसा ये नहीं मिलेगा, मतलब हमने बनाया है ऐसा ऐसा खुद से ऐसा गर्व फील नहीं होगा ना, वी विल नॉट फील दैट
उसमें
ग्रेटिट्यूड.
अरे द थिंग इज, आपको गर्व की बात है कि आपने जो बनाया है वो लोग इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं और उनका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व।
हाँ.
आपका
ओके.
yeah,
गर्व का बात नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये मैंने बनाया, दैट मैं व्हेन इट कम्स, ओके, दैट्स व्हेन इट becomes a this thing. Yes, you have built something and it's solving people's problems. That's what important. Okay.
yeah, actually
ओके सर.
this
Yeah,
Teo actually has many options. I was like, I have a small ground near my house. It's named Dugout, where I go for coaching, and it's actually listed on Play.
that's actually very cool. Awesome. Okay. So we've taken like super cool screenshots of some app of this app. Okay.
Yeah.
So Tissa, we already have a good this thing. Okay. An insight of what's happening. So all these screens, okay, now chalo, we've got this done. Okay. Now we
Sir,
need to make sure.
see the
Yeah.
login screen. Oh, you already snapshot.
Sorry.
I was just saying that you can take the screenshot also, but you already did it so.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Chalo. So we have some things clear. Okay. Now the next step is to start developing it. Okay.
Yeah.
So how it will work is, I'll teach you all how to do it. Your assignment is to make your own app which solves this problem. Okay. So the first part is, there is this, you see this bottom bar. Okay. Yeah. You see this bottom bar. So
Yeah.
this is the blue thing that's selected, okay, for you all. That is called the move tool. Okay. With this tool, you can move things around if you hold and click on it. Okay. And if you just single click, you can increase the size and decrease the size of things. Okay. By these uh, arrows, these small white dots you will see. Okay. And the next tool that we're going to learn about is
And
the frame tool, the tool which is right next to it. Okay.
Sir, what are the two functions of that first tool? Can you again tell?
Move things around. Okay. You pick up and move things around. and
Yes.
then you can click and make something big, small,
हाँ,
change
okay,
the
okay.
sizing. Okay. Okay. Second tool, frame tool. Okay, this is where things get into. So, example, if we are making for iPhone 16, so it will create the size of an iPhone 16. This is how this is your canvas in which you will paint your app. Okay, now you cannot increase the size horizontally. Don't do this. Don't change the size of your screen horizontally. If you want to add something in the screen that doesn't fit in one page, then you increase the size vertically. Just don't increase the size horizontally. Okay. And in case you feel that you have messed up in the frame, again go to F frame and then get a new frame of the same thing. Okay.
How do you
We
like?
do Control Z, right?
Sorry.
We could also undo it by doing Control Z,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. But in case you have done some more steps ahead and then you can't control Z so much, so then you can
Sir,
always go back to the frame.
sir,
Yeah,
so this, if we write iPhone 16, it will make a exact size of iPhone 16.
yeah, yeah. This is the exact size of iPhone 16 screen.
Sir, where should we write that and how should we write
No,
that?
no, it's so you go to F at the frame, the one next to move tool. You see
Okay.
that? The one with
I'm
which
there
looks like a square.
I want Samsung.
Okay, and then just on the right side, you will see multiple phone options. So for now, I have selected iPhone 16. If you're creating a website for your desktop, you can select on desktop. You can create for MacBook Air. If you're creating something for a watch, so example, Arav is creating something for a watch. So you can select a watch, Apple Watch series, like that. Okay. If
Means,
you're
sir, what we have to create? I didn't understood that.
right now we are selecting iPhone 16. Okay.
हमें
We're
उसके
gonna,
अंदर डालना क्या है?
हाँ मैं बताता हूँ आपको.
ओके,
ठीक
मतलब
है.
आईफोन 16 में ही करना है ना सबको?
हाँ, iPhone 16 में कर.
Sir, your
Sir,
iPhone,
if I use Android compact, then is it okay?
It's okay, no problem at all.
your iPhone 16, the screen size is bigger than mine iPhone 16.
It is looking big because it is on your screen, but when you will,
Or it depends on zoom in and zoom out. Okay.
yeah, it depends on the zoom in, zoom out. Okay,
Sir,
Then the pixel would be same.
sorry.
sir, how to make this black?
Pixels would be same.
Yeah, yeah.
How to make this black screen, sir? This is pinching my
Okay,
eyes.
don't worry, we'll later you do it. It's not important right now. Chalo, next thing. So
सर
now
ई
every one of
ई
you all have added this frame first. Can
सर
everybody
ई
add this?
in my
That's
one it is showing a white screen. Sir, do we need to add a frame now?
Yeah, please add it now.
Okay, iPhone 16 Pro Max Pro plus which?
Anything. Choose
anything,
any.
Okay.
bro.
How
I
can we add an image?
Huh?
If I
Awesome.
want to add an image for the logo, how can I add?
Yes, I'll tell you how to do that.
After
Okay.
doing that, what do we need to do?
Sir, are you
So,
hacking my PC?
yeah, I'm hacking your PC.
Sir, it's showing me equal ports and you Shreya following Shreya.
Sir, I'm not able to get the iPhone 16.
So, you see this button next to move, the F, the frame, which looks like a square with the borders extended. This one. If you see my screen,
Which one?
this one, which I've selected. So you see my cursor? Do you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Now see where I'm clicking. This, then I click on phone, and then I click on iPhone 16.
Oh, acha. Okay.
Okay. Now, this tool will help you get a frame. Okay. Second tool we're gonna learn together, guys, is the shape tool. Okay. Just the third tool which is there next to the frame tool, it looks like a rectangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
With that,
Shape tool.
yeah, you can draw rectangles. If you see the arrow next to that, you will click on that arrow. You can draw circles, a line, or even a polygon.
Sir, are you doodling?
No, no, it's just we're learning how to use it. So I'll teach, so I'll tell you guys like what would be the use. Why are we learning how to draw shapes? So imagine this square, okay? This
This
could
might
be
be the start button.
this could be the button. At the same time, the square could also be the login input field. So this could be where you input your phone number. This could be where you
So,
click on the
sorry,
button. Yeah.
but
Yeah.
could you tell me how to make the other shapes? I got the rectangle, but I didn't catch what you said about the other.
Drop down. Drop
Do
down.
you see the arrow right next
There
to
is
the
a very little arrow next to that. When we click on that, we will get that black screen and we
Oh,
can
that
see
one.
all that.
Yes, got it.
yes.
Sir,
Got it. Thank
Yeah.
you.
so we can also say that rectangle can become a microphone button to give orders as
Yeah.
ChatGPT.
Absolutely. The rectangle can be anything, right? It could be the type box for Chat GPT.
Ha, text box.
Sorry.
It might be the app.
Yeah. Okay. Then the circle is there. That can be the profile picture, like how there's profile pictures, right?
Ha, Facebook.
Yeah. Okay. So now you all know how to use the rectangle tool. Now the last tool that is important is a text tool. Okay.
What
So
about
with
the pen tool, sir? Pen and pencil?
sorry,
Sir, what about the pen and pencil tool,
it's
sir?
not as important right now. We'll learn it later if it's required, but right now for the basic development, it's not that important. Okay. So with this, so example, I want to create a sign up screen. Okay. So first thing I'll write is Play Me Goes, which is the logo and the image. Okay. Then I'll write sign up. Okay. Then below sign up, I'll write, I'll make a square. Then again, I'll use my text tool to write enter your phone number.
Sir, where are you going, sir? Slow down, sir, please, sir.
You'll get a hang of it, okay? And then you'll write, okay, once they enter the phone
Sir, no
number,
wonder you are the CEO.
huh?
No wonder you are the CEO of some company.
Acha.
Your hands got
Okay,
so.
okay. So you all can see how it might look like now.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir. How can you? Okay, yeah, sorry, yeah, yeah,
Rectangle, text, simple, right?
yeah. That's very
Now,
simple.
if I want to add another screen, after I click on get OTP, I'll again click on iPhone 16. I'll make one more screen. Okay. And in
Sir,
this,
but
I'll write enter OTP. Yeah.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, अगर ये हमने बनाया तो ये क्या ऐप बनाने वाले हैं क्या हम
Yeah, this is an app.
लाइक MIT ऐप इन्वेंटर
No,
Yeah.
no, no. This is just the design of the app, the
ओके
prototype.
सो
The
But
second
तो
it's
stage
अगर
is
हम
product
you have
development.
to bet.
तो अगर हमने ये ऐप बनाया तो इसे ओपन करने के बाद जब हमें इसकी स्क्रीन चेंज करनी है वो कैसे करेंगे
हाँ, वो भी मैं सिखाता हूँ. वो भी मैं सिखाता हूँ. ओके.
ओके
तो पहले अपन सारे screens बनाएंगे. Okay. Now, for now, just
Please slow down,
सर
sir.
इज देयर एनी लिमिट फॉर द स्क्रीन्स
no, there is no limit. Okay. You all just need to do one thing. Learn how to use the text tool. Learn how to do that.
यस सर
Okay.
I'm still not able to get the iPhone 16.
1 second. Uh, can you do one thing this year? Do you see can you share your screen?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, but we have a meeting at 4:30 with e-Pods and the mentor.
Uh, can you reschedule it by any chance?
I'll ask the miss. By what time then?
I think it'll take 15. Yeah, at 4:30 we'll be able to do it. Don't worry.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, done.
ठीक है. हाँ. Yeah, so do you see the button right next to the not there on the bottom, you see that bar, yeah, next to this one, the left, next to that one. The rectangle with the borders coming out. Yeah, click on that. Do you see iPhone 16 on the right? Click on iPhone 16. Yeah, simple. Okay. Chalo, now I'll share my screen. Okay, so now all of you will know how to make a screen and you'll know how to.
Sir,
Yes,
quick
sir.
question.
Yes,
You
sir.
increase the font size
Yeah,
because I'm not seeing any option for that.
yeah, now we'll learn that. Okay, so now we've learned how to make a basic frame. Okay, now let's get on to some little bit of technicals. I hope everybody has learned till here how to do it. Doesn't mean you have made it exactly like this.
Do we
Sir,
increase
sir,
the
I,
text by using the typography box?
I'll show you. I'll show you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Press K when you use the
I
text.
just have
Select.
sir. I'm
Hmm.
only one of the screens, sir, not both.
No, you don't need to make it right now. Wait, just learn how to do it. Then you do it on your own. Okay. So, okay. Now, second thing is how do you change and customize these things, right? These are the plain basic things. So let's see this Playmigos is written. Okay. Now, if I want to increase the font size of Playmigos, so when I click on Playmigos, single click on the right side, I will see this bar. If you all can come on my screen, yeah. On this right side, this bar that is there, okay, this will help us manage our entire customizations for our
Sir,
app. Yeah.
uh, instead of increasing the size by that, we can directly stretch it and make it no.
No, so see, if I directly stretch it with text, it doesn't happen. Why?
Oh,
Because
means
only
it's not like that paint.
correct. So with this, with the text, do you see this number 22?
Ha.
That is the font size. It could be a different number for you. So when I increase and reduce this number, you'll be able to see that the font size is increasing and reducing with that number. Okay. The second thing you'll see in typography is this enter. Enter is just the which font it is selected. So example, I'm going to select this font. Okay. And then there is fill, which is the color of the font. So I'm going to change it to red, I'm going to change it to black, white, yellow, everything. Okay. And then
Yes,
there is
sir.
the option medium, bold, black. Okay.
Sir, but here,
Yeah.
excuse me, sir, but here means आई वांट टू से वन थिंग अबाउट दिस ऐप अगर हमने वो एक बार नाम की साइज बड़ी कर दी ना तो अगर वो बॉक्स के बाहर जा रहा है तो वो नीचे आ रहा है तो मतलब इन ऐप वालों को है ना वो ऐसा रखना चाहिए था कि अगर एक बार इंक्रीज किया तो वो बॉक्स ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट हो जाए
वो
क्योंकि
भी
हर बार
ऑप्शन है but हाँ, डोंट वरी, देयर आर सम पीपल हु वांट दैट ऑप्शन. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग ने ये ऐप तो नहीं बनाया, तो अभी आप मुझे
हाँ
सजेशन बोल के क्या करोगे?
हाँ
ठीक है.
Sir, how to bold it?
Bold, you will see there is below the font name next to the 36 number, you will see this option of regular, medium, semi bold, bold, extra bold, all those options are
Oh, hey Bhagwan.
there. Okay.
So in mine it says regular and then it says apply variable.
Uh, if you change the font, you can check there are different fonts with so maybe your font does not support this thing. Okay, so maybe you could change the font and see which other, but it's okay. Bold, you understood where it happens, right?
Sir, there is no difference between black, extra bold, and bold. They all
It's
look like
okay. Yeah. So now next step, okay? So you guys learn how to customize it, change the colors. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Same thing you can do with your rectangle. You click on it once, you can change the fill color. Okay. You
Oh,
can, so example, I want to make the button red color and I want to make the text inside it white color.
Not
So
hard as paint.
yeah, it's very simple. Okay.
sir, actually, I have the text box and the rectangle both of the same size.
Yeah. So you can reduce the font size now.
Sir, but when I select it, it's showing both. Ah, now it's.
Okay.
Sir, there is no other color than red in this.
No, no, there is. See, on the
Arey,
left, you have to move the slider.
there is slider.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay. Awesome. So, as you guys can see, you now know how to design an app. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, firstly, congratulations for learning how to do that. Second
Thank
step
you,
is
sir.
let us learn how to uh, connect the sections of the app to each other. So, on the top below your letter, do you see S written in mine? Same way your whatever your name would be below share, you'll see design and prototype. So if you click on prototype, we were currently on design. Now click on prototype. Okay. Prototyping is very simple. You just click on a button. So example, I say I want whenever I click on get OTP, it should go to the next screen. Okay. So I will you where you will see this one big dot. I will drag that plus
Change the
sign
color.
to this page. Yeah.
Sir, how do you change the text color?
Text color, same fill.
Understood, sir. Understood. Understood.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it means same like that animations in PPT.
Correct. Correct. So you just click on it and drag it. Okay. And now say example, I'll make a back button here. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll write back. Okay. So whenever someone clicks on back, they should go back to the home page. Okay. So now to test if your app is working or not working, you have to click next to the share button, there is a play button. Okay. If you click on that play button, now you can see it will load one page for me. Okay. So yeah, everybody, I would request if you all can come to this to my screen. Okay. So I'm going to click on get OTP. So you all can see it went to the next page where it says submit OTP and back. So now I click on back. I'm back to home. Get
How
OTP.
do you do this?
So could you repeat yourself, please? I just went to use the washroom. Sorry.
Sir, I cannot select the iPhone screen.
Sir,
Sir,
I think your internet went bye bye again.
sir,
Don't worry, he's rejoining the meeting.
how to get that? How to get that thing? Prototype thingy where that iPhone thingy comes? Sir, how do you get the iPhone? I need help, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. Let me just share my screen. Okay.
Sir, I've
So
only made one screen.
you can see my screen, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you click on this play button, then the button will be functional. In this new tab, it will open up. Okay. And you'll be able to use your app by clicking on get OTP or back or whatever.
Sir, the
Okay.
arrows that you had made, they are for like connecting the two like functions, right?
Correct. Correct.
Sir, it's not working for me, sir.
What is it doing?
Sir, it's not. Oh, wait, I did not create two pages.
Okay. So you just create this arrow from the prototype and then it will work. Okay. Done. Everybody's clear.
Yes.
Sir, just one doubt. If we made that app, and how can we enter the phone number in that, or else how will it proceed our
This is
all
just the
commands?
this is just the prototype stage. Okay, this is where you are
Okay,
designing the app.
means
Yeah,
from this app just we can make a prototype, not a real app.
just the design. No, not the functionality. Okay, so right now this was just to tell you all how the process of developing a product is. So we picked up a problem statement in the start. We saw all the competitors, solutions, we defined how we are unique. And then
Yes,
third
sir.
was we built our own prototype. Now we will test this prototype with other
Sir, sir,
users,
sir.
get the feedback. Yes, sir.
Sir, what is this arrows? I cannot change the get OTP. Sir, in
Share
get
your
OTP,
screen, sir.
the oh, it changed right now, sir. Whenever you talk, it changes.
Okay. See, I have magic voice. Whenever I
Sir, can you
speak, then it
just
changes.
show how to do the like how to get the phone, like how do you test whether it's working or not?
Just click on the play button next to share.
Um,
Yeah.
okay,
When you
yeah.
click on play button next to share, then it'll open this kind of thing.
How can
Okay.
we make this app functional, fully functional?
So first goal is to make sure your app the app is what you want it to be, right? So you'll test this app with people by making them click on it, get their feedback on it. Okay. To make it functional, now the second thing is what we had heard from Amit sir. Like once you have finalized your complete product, okay. What was the step after this? Anybody remembers?
Sir, it's not
What
the
was the step after?
it is not working for me, sir.
I'll get into it. What was the step after making a prototype? Anybody remembers?
Get the feedback.
Get user feedback.
After
Mass
getting user
production.
feedback,
Iterate.
yeah,
Production, give it to a reliable vendor.
exactly. So iterate. So we will improve after getting the feedback from the user. Then we will find a reliable vendor who can develop this app for us. So in case you don't know how to code, you need to find a vendor who will develop the app
Sir, my
for us.
father.
So Devansh is father, the developer, and maybe even one of our team members, Ayush who's there, one of the other students, they are also developers. Okay, so you can always take help from each other.
So
But
they are
yes,
developers means how?
coders,
Okay, means they do coding on that Arduino and that.
not Arduino. I don't know exactly what they do.
Sir,
But yeah,
sir, the iPhone thing is not working, sir. Can you see once?
share your screen.
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
sir, I can do
Yes,
general codes on ESP32.
Sir, I
amazing.
made this already.
So you have not connected the prototype, but
Connected the prototype.
Sir, see, sir. I connect
click
the.
on no,
I,
see, click on get OTP.
huh?
Click on the button. Yeah,
This
behind it. Yeah, click on that.
this thing.
Now drag the arrow to that other page. Yeah, and drop it there.
Okay.
Yeah. Now if you click on yeah, that's it. That's it. Cross it.
इधर ही हूँ मैम
Now go to that other tab.
Other tab. This.
Yeah. And now click on the left arrow
Left arrow.
on your keyboard.
Oh, it's not working, sir.
You're seeing my
Wait,
screen.
wait,
No.
wait. Go back to the where you were editing
Yeah.
everything.
And click on play.
Oh, everything is fine.
Wait, I know what's the problem, but wait, let it load. Let's see if it solves it. No, wait, go back to
So
that
check it.
screen.
Close this, sir, and I'm here.
No, wait. Click on that flow one that's written and delete that. No, array bhai.
Excuse me,
Oh,
sir.
At this. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sir, can Devansh and Shireen join the other meeting?
Yeah, just wait for 3 minutes. No? We'll end it.
Okay, okay.
Wait 1 second. What's your name? Devansh. Click on the submit button that's there. Submit
Hello,
button that you. Yeah.
sir. I have completed the work. Can I leave?
Yeah, you can.
sir, I have to click
Is
on
it?
this play button.
No, the submit button that you have made.
So I've also completed the
Okay.
work. Should I leave as well?
So complete
Yes,
the
yes.
work.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye,
Now
sir.
drag it. Yeah.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye.
Bye.
See you guys. Yes.
And this thing on this.
Thank you, sir,
Yeah.
for teaching. Bye.
Sir,
Thank
the
you.
arrow.
Bye.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Now if you play it, it'll work. Okay. Chalo.
I'll see.
Awesome. Okay.
Get out. Yay.
Yeah. Chalo.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for
Bye, sir.
Bye,
learning.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Chalo.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. See you.
Shireen,
Thank
join
you.
the another meeting.
Yeah, I'll join.